Good day, welcome to Multinet Design in the continuation for our 2-bedroom middle class design that we are doing. Sorry for a little bit delay in the rendering this surface one after the other, but the delay is gone now. We face with new reality, so let's move on. So remember what we have in mind, that okay, this is what we are going to do. We're going to focus on design pattern like this. It may take a little bit drastic from this one, and that is exactly what we want to do in this particular project. So now let's move on. Now this is the whole template ideas of what we want to do. So we want to put all the templates here now. So you start from copy. So this is the living room. So you start, paste the chair where the coach is supposed to be. That is where the sofas are. Then this is the kitchen. You do the next thing. Now let me do something here. I did a boundary. So now because of the position of railing that I want to put here, so I'm extending this to align with the internal part of the block. So that is done. So click there and I will say cancel, finish. So I'm done with this. So the next thing now is that I want to put those templates in one part, so they mirror it to the second side. So now I'm doing this one. So if you don't have this one I got them from Revit template. So if you can get your phone the very way, you are going to do it. So if you everyone want to have not installed Revit on the system, you can call for assistance. So let's teach each other how to license Revit in your project. So now I'm going to put a bed into this. So this is the queen size bed. So I'm going to put it here and I'm putting it here as well. So escape. So the next thing to do is to put the WC. So let it be here, and the next one is the ocean basin. So take it off and take one. So you can put it here. So if you want to design your what do I call it now? If you want to design your shower tray, it depends on you. You can get the one of the template that is existing and make use of some that are existing here, or you can check through and make use of like this. So this one you can put it here, then reduce this because it's too bogus. So edit and just say okay, just reduce it to 700 by 700. So that's this, and you have that, and you align it to the wall. So good for that. So you can now select all these things and mirror them. Select Control on your keyboard, select everyone and say mirror. No, so mirror with copy. So if you have that, just know that it's the copy that is missing from the dialog box you selected. So that's it. So you select the next one and say kitchen. If you want to put the kitchen cabinet, if you don't have, just use normal line to indicate what you actually are doing. So you have done that. You can mirror this one as well. Video. So as you are done with that, you mirror this. You can mirror everything. Just select all. Beautiful. So what you do, you say mirror, you look for center side, so you mirror from here, you mirror it from the center position, so you get it from here, and you remember copy, so you drop it here. What happened? Some of them are not missing. So Ctrl Z, something is happening. Okay, it's because of the Fury template that come here. So you can just say create similar and let them have what you have gotten there. So instead of you wasting the whole time, so you do that. Then you do the same thing here too. So they have the same so you do the same thing here too. So let's leave this one on that manner. So you can do that and continue with the process by yourself. So let's focus on the stair, the function space, and the staircase. So the staircase is going to take some pattern that, okay, so what we do is that you click on this, because where is the staircase? The staircase is going to be here, it's going to be here too. So but it's going to take a different form. The entrance of staircase is from different area. So we create it by saying this and say stair. So from the S we run, we don't need to run, we are going to create different staircase entirely. So this one now we have it that we click on the boundary, which is the green line. So we go around the stair like that. So and the next one is that you are going to do, because you know this one is a story building, so the next is the great riser. Then the riser will be 1000 by 1000 detail. So then you put another boundary around this area, take it up and take it down. So that is one. So as you have done with this, what you need to do is to now offset this particular and bring them to, so say 300 to the 300. Sorry, move. So we do the same thing here. Move. So we get the 300 in that case. So now the next thing is that how many risers? Still say 2 remain. So you get it here, and then take another one here. You can cut this one into 2. So there you have that. So click finish. So the stair is done. So some things you cannot finish sketch parts through the okay, so cancel. So what you do is that the part is not done. So which part is it going to? Taking this step, work in this line, move like this, select it here, and dump it. Okay. So is it? Yes, it's giving you the indicate. So you have this tier in place. As you have done with this one now, you can copy this tier and say copy this, move it here and drop it here. So escape, then you rotate now without copy. So you just press 90 degree. Yes, and you adjust this to the boundary. So you pick and you select and you say okay, move. So that will be at the place order, and everything is set. Good. So remain this particular one is at its own staircase too. Edit and just say create similar, edit it here. So you draw the same pattern for it. This time around, this one move from here inside. You can copy the same drawing. Do not let us just be wasting time on what is for you. So yes, so copy this and say copy and bring it here. So instead of you going from that side, you are going to press enter, then mirror it without copy. So you climb from outside there and you come to inner here. So as you have this one now, you're going to reduce this edit. So what we do, edit, double click to edit it. So here you offset it to the front like 2, there is 3, and what you do is that you remove this, you help it out by removing So how many did you create? 3. So you remove those 3 from here. So 3 is gone. Then you leave it finish. So that is it. So this one we take the parts from here to the hub, and halfway here comes A and stay. So you take this door, align it to this side. Beautiful. So that is the stair adjustment that we are able to do in this particular project and design. So what we do now is to copy all this one and give it the iris. Now look at it from the elevation. This is what we have. This is all what we got in this elevation for now. So we'll go to the floor plan and go and do all the needful. So select all instance in this view. So it's first you say copy to clipboard, then you go to foundation first. That is what you want to deal with. So you paste at the foundation, say select. So select the foundation level. So is there. So now what you do here is that you select this and say select all instance in this view. Then you change the height to 800. Or the height of the block work. So delete any instance because all those one that carried window. So if you want to see the way I created the level of foundation, I have a lot of projects. So indicate I will direct you to that part where you can learn everything in detail. So select an instance in this view, then delete it. Do the same thing here, select an instance in this view and delete it. So it's gone. So this is what we have. So you can now click this one and join it together with this, and that is what you need. So you go to elevation and see, and this one has already appeared. So the next one is the level 2. So the level 2 now you just click on it and say okay, align to the current view. So that one is there. Check the height. You will see it has already piled up. So you can create more level. And you actually want to go beyond this normal one because I don't want something that will look like okay, it's the whole copy of something I do for me. So just another round of level, it will be okay for the design. So we have this, and you say level 4. You can rename it. So rename it like that and say just put level 3 there. So it will automatically name itself, and every other place find itself. So you can see from the level. So you click on this south, then you can say align to selected level, say level 3. So look at it, what will automatically change in this place. So it's gone, it's there, fine. So you on the bulb, the crop region bulb, then you align. So you have this in details now. So extend and expand it. So adjust everything to a regular period. So this one gives you the feel of design progress, and that is the beauty of what we are talking about. So extend everything to bare minimum or maximum, so that all happening of the building is going to be captured. Then take this up. Good. So you see the way the whole thing is formed. So you can change this one and check out whether it will work for you. So it works. So this is the pattern that the step we take inside to the main. So we are through with this, and the next thing, you can copy this now and say copy to instance and continue to go and paste, align to selected level. So you paste on level 2 and level control and level 3. So from elevation, you go to elevation and see, and you're seeing that they are more bigger than, so you select these two of them. What will you do? Say edit instance and you say duplicate it for yourself. So here you change the thickness to 150 and you say OK. So you come back to normal and snap to the area that they belong to. So we are through with this particular thing at this stage. So we will not too much continue in this direction until the next phase of design. So kindly subscribe to our channel if you love what we are doing. If you want to receive more notification of this design, all you just need to do is to hit notification button on your keyboard, on your screen, and the moment we present another video for you, you get it done and you continue to follow us one after the other based on every project that we are designing on this daily basis here. So the beauty of it is that the more you practice, the more you know. That is why we engage you on everyday basis, that try as much as possible to practice and go to our channel and follow each process of design we are doing. It helps a lot and it develops you maximally. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching and thanks for following every details of our design on a regular basis.